So hi everyone, today we'll try to understand how we can remove background from an image using Python using the rembg package from Python that stands for remove background. So let's get started. So here you can see this particular image for a white leopard which has some greenish background. So eventually we'll try to remove the background, just keep the leopard so that the image becomes something like this. This is our output. So the output is pretty accurate as you can see. So let's get started how to use this particular package. It's very easy to use. So first of all, you need to pip install rembg. Once you're able to do that, you need to import rembg numpy and pill import image. This is to read the image. So I've already stored the leopard.jpg file, that input that I showed you in my local. So once I'm able to open this image object, I'll be converting this image object into a numpy array using np.array, and then we'll be using rembg.remove function to remove the background. This will give you an output array that is again a numpy array only. So you need to convert it back into an image using the image.from array. Image is coming from pill only, and then eventually the output that you get from image.from image from array is the image without the background. So hence output.save, you can save this output into some png or jpg file, and you will get an output like the white tiger as I showed you here with no background now.